Orlando Pirates have been active in the January transfer window, securing 3 new signings as they look to strengthen their squad for the remainder of the season. With the window still open, there is also growing speculation that the Buccaneers could add one more player before the deadline. The first major addition is Andre de Jong, who joins the club from Stellenbosch FC. De Jong is a versatile attacker who can operate either as an attacking midfielder or as a striker. His ability to link play, create chances, and contribute goals makes him an exciting prospect for the Pirates. With his experience and composure in the final third, De Jong is expected to add creativity and depth to the team's attacking options. Pirates' second signing is Daniel Mesindami, who arrives from Marumo Gallants. Mesindami is a winger known for his pace and direct style of play. Although Orlando Pirates already boast several quality wide players, Mesindami could still play a crucial role by adding competition, energy, and tactical flexibility on the flanks. His willingness to take on defenders could give the Buccaneers a different attacking dimension in tight matches. The third signing is Mfo Chabatsane, also from Marumo Gallants. Chabatsane is a defender brought in to strengthen the back line, particularly after the departure of Mbokazi, who completed a move to Chicago Fire FC earlier this month. Chabatsane's arrival is seen as an important step in maintaining defensive stability and depth as Pirates continue to compete on multiple fronts. Meanwhile, rumors suggest that Orlando Pirates could be lining up a fourth signing. Reports indicate that Kaizer Mudau of Mamelodi Sundowns could be a target, with his contract nearing expiration and renewal talks seemingly off the table. Sundowns may be willing to cash in before his deal expires, and Pirates could be ready to pounce if the opportunity arises. Overall, Orlando Pirates' January business shows clear intent to strengthen key areas of the squad. The new signings bring a mix of creativity, pace, and defensive cover, while the potential addition of Mudau could further boost the team's quality. Pirates fans, are you impressed with the club's signings so far? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below.